Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today we will read even and odd. Today we will learn about even and odd. An even number of things can be matched in pairs of 2 is an even number. An odd number of things cannot be matched in pairs. 3 is an odd number. So on the table number 1, there are apples in the 2 sets of 2. So these are even sets of apples. On the second table, there are 5 apples which are odd because they are not in the group of 2. We cannot make pairs of 2 of these apples. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.